Shut everything off.
Now it is May 7th right now, and there aren't many trails that are still open, but we're gonna do a trail that is quite popular. It's called Yankee Hill, and we're gonna see what we get. We may get some snow, we may get some other stuff, but we got a ton of vehicles to show you on this trail. It's known as a great beginner's network, so let's just get out there and see what we got. And trust me, this is the most boring vehicle on the trail today. This trail is fun already, but I need to start this off that we're a little bit worried that we might have some snow issues coming up. I'm gonna show it all on video, but just to kind of get there, we'll go into the details of this trail once we get through the snow. All right, we have a quick little breather, so let's talk about this trail. Now, this trail is rated as difficult. Now, we're still pretty early on the trail, so let's talk about it, give it a quick overview. It is rated difficult by Funtreks. It's rated moderate by Trails Off-Road. Right now, I would definitely say it's a difficult trail, but we'll talk more about it in the review. Let's keep going. Is easily accessible from Idaho Springs, and you want to go Alice, basically going up to St. Mary's Glacier. Hopefully I'm showing you all that on the camera right now, and we'll be good.
There's a bit of a pullout up here. We can pull over.
Yeah, I think most of us would probably want to get some shots of our ride, so that sounds great.
Alrighty.
Yeah, sign me up.
Yeah, you got a really good view of the glacier from right up here.
Steeper and then flattens out, but it's like this. Yeah, I had a hard time until I got up over the ridge and then went in.
Yeah, it looked pretty cool.
Oh, hell yeah. Keep going.
How'd it look? Yeah, I had to cheat. Sorry, I wish I had a seat. I'd give you a ride up. Okay.
Yeah, boys, this is going to be all ice from here on in, it looks like. I think we'll slide into this ravine of water, which would be a saving grace.
Well, so far this trail has been a lot more fun this way. Right now the Escape is drifting in front of me. I got it on the GoPro though. But yeah, the trail's pretty good. We're gonna see what we encounter. It could get worse. Right now we're in the trees and on snow, which is never good. You can slide easily, but make good choices and be okay. Alright, so years ago I did this trail with the Mile High Jeep Club. Even though I had a blast, I always have a blast when I'm off-roading, I just didn't think it was as great as some of these other trails around. Everyone seems to just love this trail, and I was like, I need to give this one another shot, and I'm glad I did, because this is a blast. Now granted, it's usually not as tough as what we're encountering right now. Snow, ice, runoff, making it a lot rougher, but so far all the vehicles are getting through. We just had the one hiccup on the hill, but besides that, we're doing pretty good. So I need to start doing the things that we're supposed to be doing in this video.
My first time on a trail this year since last season, and it feels so good to be back.
Nice. An iPhone 8 though.
And we're on our way. We just got carried away on the mud pit.
Well, yeah.
And this one's a little tricky to film. We're in the trees. I want to get good outside shots, but we're also trying to deal with traffic and we got snow, so it's a little bit harder, but hopefully we're getting some good stuff. And hopefully I cut it well enough that you guys enjoy it. But let's keep going and see what's next, you know, all that good stuff. Sorry guys, what's the plan?
We're gonna roll down now. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, Matt said he wanted to keep going. We were just waiting for you guys to catch up.
Just wanted to make sure everybody got through that snow unscathed.
It's definitely fun. This is an awesome group. I'm really having a blast out here with everyone out.
Is he stuck in there?
Not towards me.
You okay with me filming you guys? Cool.
I wouldn't stand too close to that right now. So just ease in.
I have, you know, Sean. All right, so we decided to do this the way that Funtreks and Trails Off-Road does it in their guides. However, you know, pretty much all of us, including me, have always gone the other direction. So it is kind of different doing it that way, and it's a little bit trickier. And that's kind of what you're seeing now.
So I got them skids, right?
There's a lot of rocks right there. It's a good thing I edit this video because I don't think we're going to see any of this stuff.
Oh, I took out most of the crap, bro. No worries.
Well, he left a lot of his technique right there in that rock.
Twist tires or dumb. He talks like that, but he does good. Keep going like yep. Go. 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 Go.
Nice.
Ah, you got it.
In this trail today, I have mostly used 4 high, some 4 low. 4 low definitely helps on this trail. Yeah, that works. Right now, I'm recommending that you have at least 4-wheel drive low. You definitely don't need lockers for this trail. Now we've reordered the group a little bit, but we'll see what else we got. I know we got some mud pits coming up, which should be pretty awesome. So I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, buddy.
We're letting a passing situation happen right now. Let's talk about this trail. Let's do our trail review and trail breakdown. Now I'm gonna put all my stuff up on the screen right now so you can get a full breakdown, and we'll think about it and give good details right up there. Initial impressions is this trail is awesome. It's a lot better than the first time I did it. It might have been the snow, it might have been that. I did need 4 low today. I also needed lockers on some of the optional stuff that we did. I also took some of the worst lines that I could, just to see, you know, how bad it was. Those rocks that we struggled on, or some of us struggled on, those are gonna change for you as you do the trail. So basically that's what's going on here right now. Let's go see more of the trail. Okay, we're off in the side while we figure out what's going on.
Did it a little too wet?
Battery light still on?
Yeah.
Your alternator just got wet though.
My alternator is at the very bottom. That's convenient.
Oh, okay, that's probably it.
Just gotta let it dry off, basically?
I'd say
I think so.
Yeah, if you think his alternator's out, you should just keep going because he's only got so much time before the battery dies.
Well, I don't know how long I can last. If I
Well,
can get it back to Firestone, that'd be fine.
Keeps everything else off. You should be able to go for a little while.
Shut everything off.
Woo! Pretty rocky.
Heck yeah. Some fresh squeezed.
Well, I washed this Jeep earlier today. I'm gonna go wash it now to see what kind of damage I did.